And today I'm going to show you on how to use Betway, strictly how to use Betway, and I'm going to focus mostly on the most important things that you need to know, most especially if you're a beginner. So after you sign up with Betway and after you deposit your money, or if you get a free bet, your money is going to show right here, which is the money that you're not going to be able to withdraw. So the money that will be here on this part right here is after you make a slip, you bet slip and you win, that's when it's going to reflect right here at cash. But if you want to withdraw, it's also going to reflect right here at cash. So if you can check right below this, all this, there's sport, there's live, there's aviator, of which we're going to go through all these after in each and every video singularly, because Betway is very broad and complex, so you'll need to go with it part and part. So mostly all of us right here, we want to focus on sport, live, aviator, and the rest. If you are good at playing casinos, numbers, lucky numbers, and all those kind of things, you can do them on your own. So if you can check right, if you can press on sport, it's the same as pressing this one. It's going to take you to all the sports which are playing, which is mostly soccer. You can see it's written, there's a ball right here. Even if you can press this, it's going to show the same thing. So underneath you can check their bet top leagues, which are the most leagues that you should bet on, because most of these leagues are not rigged, or let me just say match fixing. If you know match fixing, I'm gonna do a video on that too, to show you what match fixing means, meaning that you can rig a match, biggest team you find that it loses, and the most least team. So we're gonna look at that too. So I'm also gonna make videos on strategies, but let's just focus on how to use Betway. So let's take now, you want to bet, or you want to make now want to make a slip, right? And then you want to choose a team. You want to pick a team on soccer. So you put in a team, immediately you will click on the team. This is what is going to show right here. Pick another team. Now you're building a bet. I hope you can see that, and it's also showing you the odds. And right here down there, if you can check, it's showing you the amount you can bet on, and it's going to show you also the potential return, which is the money that you're going to get after your slip wins, and which is very good for you to know. And there's another thing that I want you to check on, is that there's multi bets right here. I hope you can see that there's multi bet right here. Oh, sorry about this. There's multi bet right here, and right there, this multi-bet, and also there is this single bet, multi-bet, single bet. Single bet, if you press on single bet, it's gonna bet on all these teams singularly. All these teams are gonna go in singularly. If you can check Middlesbrough on Florentia, whatever that name is, it's gonna come here. If let's say an example, you wanna put in 100 rands right here, let me put in for you 100 rands. You're gonna see each and every one has its own amount, so it's gonna give us each and every one of them singularly, just like that. Look at that. Okay, you see the odds for this one and the odds of this one are not the same. You see that potential return of this, potential return of this are not the same. So it means that you are betting each and every team singularly, not all at once. Okay, let me just put 1 rands to demonstrate for you, just for you guys. And then if I come here and say bet now, you see that it's gonna give me 2 bet slip IDs. You see that, meaning that I've bet each and every team singularly. Okay, 2 bet slips ID, but they are all in one slip. But it shows that I bet team singularly. Each and every team I gave it its own odds. Okay, so when I come now, right, oh sorry about that, let me just come right here and I say multi-bet. So multi-bet is basically saying, okay, I'm building this slip. Let me just pick in everything right here. Okay, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna put in 1 rands. Look at the odds, are crazy. This to show you that the possibility of this slip winning, it's not likely for this slip to win. And I'm also gonna give you reasons of that later on this video for you to just to teach you, give you tutorials. So if you can check right, let me just say bet now. You see, I'm gonna get 1 booking code, and meaning that the slip has been put in 1. And if you after you put in your bet slip, for you to check your slips, you need to come right here. You see that? Remember that slip that I was talking about, that I said it's singularly? This is the one right here. Each and every team with its own odds. And that other slip it's, if you can click on here, you'll see it's build. We'll build a bet, meaning that we are making all the total of all these odds right here, which all the teams individually, which is the total of all the teams individually that make one total odds that we're gonna use to wedge our mountain and to get our potential return. So this is one of those that I use myself because it's like, it's reliable, because you can build a bet and you get a total instead of betting on one team individually, and you end up like not getting enough money. So there's another thing that I want to show you that you need to follow, guys. This is our YouTube channel and our Telegram channel, where you get our free bet slips like this one. These are recent. If you can check, look at the amount that we put in and we make, it's unlikely for us to lose, and as of now we haven't lost in any bet slip since we started. If you can check, we didn't put a lot of money, we put 100 rands, and we're still growing these accounts just like that. So make sure to subscribe in our YouTube channel, and make sure to check out our videos. And this is one of our YouTube our free bet slips we used to give out right here on Telegram. These are the recent ones that I'm talking about. I'm gonna post in also a lot of testimonies for you to check on. So we used to give out our bet slips right here on Telegram, but we decided to go on WhatsApp, of which this is the name of our WhatsApp WhatsApp channel. And I'm also gonna give you the link to check it out for yourselves, because this is the link I'm talking about, to go to our WhatsApp free bet slips, to do them, to put them on, and then make sure to check out also those other ones to get free booking codes, premium ones. It's unlikely for us to lose. We haven't lost in any slip currently, so this is what I'm telling you, it's guaranteed, it's a legit thing. So make sure to check us out, guys. Sorry about that. Make sure to check us out, and make sure to keep following to get more betting slips. And before I forget, there's this one where you need to put a booking code on your own, where you can just place in a booking code. I don't know if I showed you already, but if you come to bet slips and I'll find that I send a booking code, like a bet slip, like something like this. Oh, sorry, I went to the wrong place. Let's just go here, and I've sent a bet slip, something like this, booking code. You're gonna use this booking code to put it in right there. Let's just say it's X5DCA7E. You're just gonna go in right here, which is the most important one, which a lot of people miss. You're just gonna come here at the booking code, you just write in the code, and just say it's this one, and then you're gonna press in search, and immediately pressing search is gonna show this one has expired already. Yes, it's gonna show all the teams which I've bet myself, and then you're just gonna put in your wager amount, and then you just punch in the amount you wanna bet, and then just put bet now, and then all those teams that I've bet, they're just gonna show on your screen. That's how simple it is. I hope you understood. If you didn't understand anything, make sure to comment below that you did something you wanna miss on. And I'm also gonna post in the link down below to our free WhatsApp, and also in the description to our free WhatsApp group. And I'm also gonna post in my social media. If you wanna check me out on my social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, make sure check me out. Thank you.